Okay, YouTubers, my site's dedicated to Chrysler products only. So if you like the rest, it's okay. But don't ask me because I don't want them. Okay, today we took this Chrysler up to Firestone. They said they couldn't line the front end. If you notice how the steering wheel is, they said they didn't know, blah, blah, blah. The steering wheel should be like that. But they couldn't figure out how to do it because they weren't going to make $1,400 to replace the parts on this Chrysler, the front end suspension parts, the idiot that had it before me. So I did the work myself, and usually they cop an attitude, and they did. So anyhow, what we got here is a rack and pinion out of a Chrysler, Dodge, Magnum, whatever. Okay. Let me see what I can get down here. This is the shaft that goes through the firewall and hooks to this rack and pinion. And this here is slotted, and you can adjust your steering wheel angle. I got one here from Hair. So if you line your steering wheel up, and this is splined, this will go anywhere on this shaft, so you can adjust it. Straighten your steering wheel up straight to where it's straight across. Hold it, and you'll find this nut on the end of this shaft. See it? Oh, by the way, this is made by Mercedes too. It's got Mercedes all over it. But that's another story. This nut goes in here, and you can adjust where you want your steering wheel. The easy part, the fun part is, in order to get to that nut under the dash, unless you're a midget, sorry about the phrase, you have to take the front seat out, because you got to lay down on this floor, crawl underneath, and unloosen that bolt on the end of this steering wheel that's Loctited. So anyhow, take your time, it can be done. I got this done. I got to put the seat back in and clean it up a bit. I'm going to put the headliner in it, and probably a sunroof out of the 2009, because this one is acting up. I don't know what they did to it, but other than that, somebody's replaced the rack in this car, and when you line the wheels out where they should be, the steering wheel's off. So that's a handy tip. It's just a bitch getting to this nut, but the way I did it, I took an Allen wrench and put in there and used the steering wheel to unhook it. So it works now. I just gotta wait for the weather to clear up so I can test drive this thing. So that's all for now. Chrysler only. So do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. I need more subscribers. Thanks. Bye-bye.